Same print, same G code. This is on my 2.4 Joker. This is on my 1.8 Optimus Prime, as I themed them. But this is at 9K acceleration, 200mm/second all around. Started at the same time, as you can see, 65% done. This is at 10K acceleration, 250mm/second, all around. So I want to see which one is faster here. They look like they're in the same, like about to finish at the same time. So I'm not seeing a difference in the speed difference, but who knows? But they're both fast, so yeah, we'll see. I guess the V2.4 won, and the only reason why it won is because the travel acceleration is 20K, while the travel acceleration on this is 10K. And that's the literal difference, even though this started first. So that goes to show that increasing travel acceleration does increase the print, that does decrease the print time, and overall help the speed of a print.